Hey everyone, this is Group 5 for Project 4, and here is our project. So as you know, we are, looking for the solution for why is this town becoming sick? And we're taking all the tweets that they have said in the town, and we're trying to find out what patterns that can be seen based on those tweets, and if we can find out why are they sick, and where did it come from, and how does it spread. So I'm going to do a search here for sick, although you can do a search for any word that you might think that would be in a tweet. And we're going to be waiting here to see what kind of data we get, and it's going to plot the points on the map as well as show us a little bit more information. In this region we have a general trend. As you can see, the trend is low until the end, so I already know where I want to look. On the right we have the dates, and if I scroll through the dates, then I get to a point where I get these yellow or orange markings. So these are warning signs saying that there's an abnormal uh, data here, meaning that the number of tweets that occurred with the word sick in it is over one standard deviation than the mean. So let's go check that out. Immediately I see a huge pattern here of people getting sick. Yeah, that might be due to that was called downtown and uptown, and you think of an urban setting and they're a little bit more crowded. So let's actually go a little bit farther, and all of a sudden we see two more groupings happen down here. So that's already weird that we have two separate groupings here. We have one in the town, and we have the one here hugging this river. Alright, so why could that be? Let's check out what kind of words are being used today. So we got down, chills, caught, fever, night, annoying, case, worse, flu. As you can see, the list goes on. Let's see, now there's where sick finally happened, and we got stomach. I think stomach is an interesting word. Let's go back to our keyboard here, and let's type in stomach. Let's see what we can find from that. Come on, MySQL, you can do it. I know you can. I know you can get that query faster than this. Maybe I didn't click search. No, I did. Alright, let's get it loading. Let's get it loading. Alright, so we see that the peak here is at the same date where we first saw this pattern. So people who are getting sick aren't getting sick because of the stomach in downtown, but they are getting sick by stomach down here by the river. That tells me that they're ingesting something that's water-based, and maybe there's something in the water that is getting people sick. So that's interesting. That's an interesting find that we've already got right there. If you want to actually find what's going on, you might want to start by looking back at the date before everyone started getting sick, because that's going to be really when something might have happened. You just look at the word list here, and you find a lot of words, none of them really seem like something could happen. We got car and cars, which I looked earlier, and they don't have that much information. But we get down to truck. Now, that's interesting. You wouldn't think a truck would be a reason, but let's just go take a look at what's going on there. Oops. So keep in mind earlier what you saw was we had the large group of sick people in this area and also the ones following the river. So now something that's interesting is what's happening. We want to find out what event happened so that on either side of it it could have spread. And so we probably are looking for something in this area around here, which looks to be a highway. So it's actually kind of good that we're searching up truck anyways, because that seems like that's going to be something that has the most data. So once MySQL cooperates, we'll probably have a nice little graph to show. Yeah, man. any moment now, and you will have your truck data like you wanted. Alright, immediately we see there's a cluster here with what appears to be tweets that include the word truck in it. Yeah, also we got some outliers here, but maybe they're watching on TV that this is a huge accident. We also get flagged in this corner saying that this is over the standard deviation, which we can also see in the trend. So let's actually dive into seeing what these texts are saying. Here we have all this text that people have been saying. So we see that there's a truck accident and drivers should drive better. Okay. Bridge 610 not moving so fast today. I can't believe how bad this truck accident is. Alright, let's map this guy. He's mapped right where we thought this incident is happening. So something interesting would be is maybe he was there and got sick because of it. It could be possible, so we would say more. When I click more, we're going to get all the information of all the tweets that he's been saying. So it doesn't look like anything about sickness is here, but it's, we're not going to rule out that he's, didn't get sick. But I did just find something interesting here. He does say the blunt is lit. Where is he smoking? There, he's smoking up there. Okay. Well, I guess you can light blunts in suburbia. That's pretty regular. Okay, well, this is our thing, and hopefully this can help us find the answer for who is sick and why are they sick. Thanks for tuning in.